Welcome back to the channel. It's a pleasure having you guys here. This week is loaded. And when I say loaded, we have high impact news. And by the way, we are going to look at, of course, the USD, DXY, and a few currency pairs, gold, and whatever. And you will notice that the market is moving as we speak. As the market is moving, which is price action, is going to help us to know what to expect next, whether based on trend trading or counter trend trading. We're first of all showing you the calendar. Why? Because this week we have, of course, the non-farm payroll, NFP, and of course, before then, today we have FOMC coming out in a bit. In about 3 minutes, as you can see the countdown, we have the ISM services PMI, and it is loaded. That is all I can say to you guys. So if you don't have any directional bias, the best thing to do is to be on the sidelines. Now, quickly looking at the DXY, this is what we have for the DXY. And we box this area here because this is a very key area for us to pay attention to based on this wave. Price tends to move using waves. So if you look very well, we'll see waves all the time on the charts, waves going up, waves going down, and so on. So on this present wave that we have here, look at the size of this candle, look at the size of this candle, and this is the hourly time frame. Price seems to be running away from this wave. So this is clearly a down wave here. Well, I'm saying wave and not trend. Because if you're going to talk about trend, you can talk about the entire thing. Quite all right. This is also a trend, but I like to use waves so that we separate inside a trend. And that's why you could also have like Elliott waves, for the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have those section of one movement, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So anyhow you're looking at it, just make sure you understand what price is trying to do based on the direction. So now the DXY clearly is weak. The sellers have it, but then it is due. When I say it is due, it is 110% due for a pullback. So the buyers should start to jump in. And this is an area where you would see big candles going down, and then a lot of traders, the newbie traders, the ones that fall into that quote unquote, that trap. They see this move, oh, and they end up doing what? Clicking on sell, trying to follow this move down, only for the market to turn around. It hasn't turned around, but I'm telling you with confirmation based on what I'm seeing, based on my own little experience, it is about time for the market to pull back. I'm not saying it's going to pull back to the entire way. It will pull back maybe to like a fib retracement level. It could be 38.2 or 50 or 61.8 before dropping even the more. But trust me, as you're watching this video today, which happens to be a Wednesday, the 3rd of July, if you watch it on the 4th or the 5th, meaning in the future, go back and see what happened. And if you're watching it today, wait till tomorrow or next week, wait till tomorrow or Friday to see what happens. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Because just like a chess game, you need to understand what the other party is doing. We have the trend traders, and we have the counter trend traders. This here is a move for the counter trend traders looking forward to buying. And with this, you can easily relate this to what we have based on the popular currency pair like Euro USD. You can see it is surging higher and higher. Also, this is due for a pullback. So if you are a trend trader, you could start looking for divergence. You can start looking for maybe an area of interest on the higher time frame. Maybe move from 1 hour to 4 hours and see whether you can find something there. It could be divergence. It could be whatever. But then don't forget to add your price action candlestick patterns for entry. That one is also very important. I don't want to take much of your time. I want the videos to be as short as possible. You watch it, you ponder, you pay attention to this video, pay attention to the chat, and then please, these videos are also timely. So if you have not hit the subscribe button, do so and turn on the notifications so that when the videos are posted immediately, you watch them and try to take advantage. And then apart from this Euro USD, of course, you have the GBP USD, we should also be appreciating because the USD is down. Okay, oops, we haven't done that yet, sorry. Okay, GBP USD, here's the GBP USD. The GBP USD, you can see, is also appreciating. And of course, if you look even more, you have like gold. Gold also should be appreciating. And so you can even see over here, gold painted a little a gap over here just to show you how volatile it is now. Don't forget that news more or less just dropped. We talked about the news here on the calendar, and it was negative, as you can see. Negative meaning that the DXY should drop further, as you can see. But trust me, I know what I'm saying. Even with this, I need to adjust this as it keeps on dropping. You remember it was around here, and as the new hourly candle just started, look at the massive, I'm laughing, the massive drop, because I understand the market well enough. As I understand the market, I know very much what the market is trying to do. It's trying to trap traders. That is how I'm lowering my voice. That is how the market makers, how they make money at the end of the day. They want the gullible to follow in a particular direction. They want more people to join in that particular direction, and then they turn it around. They need to consume a lot of others to give them that 1%, 2%, or whatever percentage of their own large capital. That's it. That's why they need us. They need us to be on the wrong side. Let me stop talking that way. Because if you understand the market, you can simply follow and just take advantage. So if you look at other instruments, you look at Bitcoin, you look at gold, anything that has USD, you will notice this same movement. But trust me, I'm going to be looking forward to, like in the case of Euro USD, based on this DXY that is, in this Euro USD that we have here, I'm going to be looking forward to selling opportunities before buying. Buying is with the trend, but selling is against the trend. Now, with that said, we're going to put a stop to the video now. Watch the video, like the video, comment, give us your own thought process, ask your own questions if you have any. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification. That notification is very important. So when we drop the videos, you watch them immediately. And if the opportunity is still there, take advantage of it. Okay? Thank you guys. And I will catch you same time, most likely tomorrow, when we give you an update on everything we have talked about. Cheers, guys, and have a good one.